Hi, everyone, and welcome back to our Life and Language podcast channel.
We're so happy you're here with us today. Today we are talking about ordering food at a restaurant. Let's get started.
Hey, Lily. Good morning. How's your morning going?
Good morning, Ben. It's going pretty well, thank you. I just had a cup of coffee and now I feel awake. How about you?
Same here. I love my morning coffee. Without it, I feel, how do I say this? Half asleep.
Me too. Okay, so before we start, let's introduce ourselves to everyone watching.
Good idea. Hi, everyone. My name is Ben. I'm from Chicago in the United States. I love food, movies, and talking about everyday English.
And I'm Lily. I'm from California. I love traveling, trying new restaurants, and, well, talking. Today, Ben and I are going to have a simple, natural conversation about something we all do: ordering food at a restaurant.
Yes, this is such a useful topic. Even if you know some English words, ordering food can feel a little scary the first time. Am I right?
Oh, 100%. I remember when I traveled to Italy last year. I didn't speak much Italian and I was so nervous to order food. My hands were actually shaking a little.
Really? What happened?
Well, I walked into this small restaurant and the waiter came to my table. He said something in Italian and I just froze. I didn't know what to say.
Oh no, that's so relatable. What did you do?
I just pointed at the menu and said, "This one, please." It actually worked, but I felt embarrassed at first.
That's totally normal, though. A lot of people feel nervous when they order food in a new language. That's actually why we're talking about this today, to help people feel more confident.
Exactly. So let's slow down and talk about the basic steps. First, when you walk into a restaurant, what usually happens?
Well, usually someone greets you at the door. They might say something like, "Hi, how many people?" or "Table for how many?"
Right. And you just answer with a number, like two, please, or just one, thank you.
Exactly. Simple and short. You don't need long sentences here.
True. Then they take you to your table, and they usually give you a menu.
Yes, and this is the part where people get a little nervous, I think. Looking at the menu and understanding what to order.
Definitely. Sometimes there are so many choices. I remember one time I went to a restaurant with my friend, and the menu was 5 pages long. 5 pages!
Wow, that's a lot.
I know! I just looked at my friend and said, "Can you just choose for me?"
Ha, that's one way to solve the problem. But okay, let's teach some simple phrases people can use.
Yes, let's do that. So, when the waiter comes to take your order, what do they usually say?
They might say, "Are you ready to order?" Or, "What can I get for you today?"
And you can answer very simply. For example, "Yes, I'll have the chicken sandwich, please."
Or, "Can I get the pasta, please?"
Exactly. Just remember, "I'll have" or "Can I get?" These are two very common, very natural phrases.
Right. You don't need to say anything fancy. Native speakers use these short phrases all the time.
True. And if you're not sure what to order, you can ask the waiter for help too.
Oh, yes, that's a great point. You can say, "What do you recommend?"
I love asking that question. Actually, one time, a waiter recommended a dish, and it became my favorite meal ever.
Really? What was it?
It was a lemon garlic pasta. Oh my gosh, it was so good. I still think about it sometimes.
Now I'm hungry just hearing about it.
Me too, honestly. Okay, let's continue. So after you order, sometimes the waiter asks extra questions.
Yes, like, "Would you like anything to drink?"
And you can say, "Just water, please." Or, "Can I get a lemonade?"
Simple and clear. And sometimes they ask, "How would you like your steak?" if you order steak.
Oh, that's true. And there are different ways to answer: rare, medium, or well done.
Right. I always say medium. I don't like it too pink, but I don't like it too dry either.
I actually like medium well, somewhere in the middle.
Somewhere in the middle, just like our English levels when we're learning something new, right?
Oh, I like that. That's a good way to think about it. You don't have to be perfect. You just need to be somewhere in the middle and keep improving.
Exactly. Now, let's talk about something else. What happens if you make a mistake or you don't understand something?
Oh, this happens all the time, even to me. Sometimes the waiter talks fast, or there's a lot of noise in the restaurant.
True. So, what can you say if you don't understand?
You can simply say, "Sorry, can you say that again?" Or, "Could you repeat that, please?"
Yes, and that's totally okay to ask. Native speakers ask this too. It's not embarrassing at all.
Exactly. And if you want something changed in your food, like no onions, you can say, "Can I have that without onions, please?"
Oh, that's useful. I do that all the time. I don't like too much spice, so I always say, "Can you make it less spicy, please?"
I remember one time you ordered spicy noodles and your face turned red.
Don't remind me. That was a mistake. I said, I love spicy food, but I didn't really know what spicy meant in that restaurant. It was so hot, my eyes were watering.
I remember that. You were drinking so much water.
Yes, lesson learned. Now I always ask, how spicy is this before I order?
Good idea. Okay, let's talk about the end of the meal now. After you finish eating, what usually happens?
The waiter comes back and asks, how is everything? Or, are you still working on that?
And you can say, "It was great, thank you." Or, if you're finished, "Yes, I'm done, thank you."
Right. And then, of course, comes the important part, the bill.
Oh, yes. You can say, "Can I get the check, please?" Or, "Can we get the bill, please?"
And sometimes, if you're with friends, you might want to split the bill.
Oh, that happens a lot. You can say, "Can we split this, please?" Or, "Separate checks, please."
Yes, very useful phrases. And don't forget about tipping. In the United States, tipping is very common.
True. Usually, people tip around 15 to 20%.
Right. It's a nice way to thank the server for their service.
Definitely. Okay, so now that we've gone through the whole process, let's do a quick, fun little practice. Ben, let's pretend I'm the waiter and you're ordering food. Ready?
Oh, I love this. Okay, let's do it.
Hi there, welcome. Are you ready to order?
Yes, I'll have the grilled chicken, please.
Great choice. Would you like anything to drink?
Just water, please. Oh, and can I get that without onions?
Of course. Anything else?
No, that's all. Thank you so much.
See, that wasn't so hard, right?
Not at all. And that's the whole point. Ordering food doesn't need to be complicated. Just a few simple phrases and you're ready.
Exactly. And even if you make a mistake, like forgetting a word or saying something wrong, it's okay. We all do that, even in our first language sometimes.
True, I forget words in English all the time, and it's my first language.
Me too, honestly. So don't be afraid to try. The waiter isn't going to judge you. They just want to help you enjoy your meal.
Exactly. And every time you practice, even a little conversation like this, you're getting better and more confident.
I completely agree. Learning a language is a journey, not something that happens overnight.
So true. Just like ordering food, sometimes you get it right away, and sometimes you need a little extra time to decide. And that's okay.
I love that. Okay, so before we finish today's video, let's do a quick summary of what we learned.
Sure. First, when you enter a restaurant, they'll ask how many people. Just answer with a number.
Then, when it's time to order, you can say, "I'll have," or "Can I get," followed by the food you want.
If you're not sure, ask, what do you recommend?
If you need something changed, say, "Can I have that without," Or, can you make it less spicy?
If you don't understand, it's okay to say, "Can you repeat that, please?"
And at the end, ask for the check or the bill. And don't forget to tip.
These are small phrases, but they can make a big difference in your confidence.
Exactly. And remember, everyone feels nervous the first time. Even native speakers get nervous in new situations sometimes.
True. The most important thing is to keep trying, keep practicing, and not be afraid of small mistakes.
I love that message. Well, that's all for today's conversation, everyone.
Thank you so much for watching and learning with us today.
We hope this conversation helps you feel more confident the next time you order food at a restaurant.
And before you go, we have a small favor to ask. If you enjoyed this video, please follow and subscribe to our channel. It really helps us keep making these lessons for you.
Yes, and if you know a friend or family member who is learning English too, please share this video with them. It might help them feel more confident, just like it helped you today.
We'd also love to hear from you. Leave a comment below and tell us what topic you'd like us to talk about next.
Yes, and we'll see you in the next video with another fun, everyday conversation.
If you enjoyed this, don't forget to practice these phrases out loud. Speaking is the best way to remember. Take care, everyone.
Bye for now.